Today we're diving into the world of counter-drone technology with a focus on two groundbreaking devices developed in the US, the DroneDefender and the DroneBuster. These devices are at the forefront of protecting sensitive areas from unauthorized drone activity, from military applications to law enforcement and private security. These technologies are vital in maintaining safety and security. Let's get started. With the rapid proliferation of drones for recreational, commercial, and even potentially malicious uses, the need for effective counter-drone measures has never been more critical. Drones can pose significant threats to airspace security, critical infrastructure, and public safety. This is where counter-drone technologies like the DroneDefender and DroneBuster come into play. The DroneDefender is a handheld, non-kinetic counter-drone device developed by Battelle, a major research and development organization based in the United States. Designed to be operated by a single individual, the DroneDefender provides a portable solution for neutralizing unauthorized drones in sensitive areas. Portability. The DroneDefender is lightweight and designed for easy use, allowing operators to carry and deploy it quickly. Non-kinetic solution. Unlike kinetic methods that involve shooting down drones, the DroneDefender uses radio frequencies to disrupt the communication between the drone and its operator, or its GPS signals. Effective range. It boasts an effective range of several hundred meters, making it suitable for a variety of environments, from urban settings to open fields. Applications. The DroneDefender is widely used by military forces, law enforcement agencies, and security personnel to protect areas such as airports, government buildings, and large public gatherings. The DroneDefender's design allows it to neutralize drones without causing physical damage, which is essential in preventing collateral damage in populated areas. The DroneDefender works by emitting radio frequency signals that interfere with the control and navigation signals of the drone. This interference causes the drone to lose contact with its operator or its GPS system, typically resulting in the drone returning to its point of origin, landing safely, or hovering in place until it can be recovered. Technical breakdown: jamming frequencies. The device targets the frequencies commonly used by drones for communication and navigation. This includes the 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz bands for control signals and the GPS L1 and L2 bands for navigation. Safety mechanisms. Built-in safety features ensure that the device does not interfere with other critical communication systems. User interface. The DroneDefender is designed to be user-friendly, with a simple interface that allows operators to quickly deploy it in high-pressure situations. The effectiveness of the DroneDefender has been demonstrated in various field tests and training exercises, showcasing its reliability and ease of use. Now that we've seen how the DroneDefender works and its key features, which application of the DroneDefender do you find most fascinating? Is it its use in military operations, law enforcement, or protecting critical infrastructure? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Next up, we have the DroneBuster, another innovative counter-drone solution developed by FlexForce Enterprises. Like the DroneDefender, the DroneBuster is a handheld device designed to neutralize unauthorized drones quickly and effectively. Key features of DroneBuster. Handheld design. The DroneBuster is compact and easy to carry, allowing operators to deploy it rapidly. Signal disruption. It disrupts the control signals and GPS navigation of drones, causing them to either return to their origin, land, or hover. User-friendly interface. Designed for ease of use, the DroneBuster features a straightforward interface, making it accessible even to those with minimal technical training. Versatility. The DroneBuster can target multiple frequency bands, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of drone models. The DroneBuster has been adopted by various military and law enforcement agencies around the world, proving its effectiveness in real-world scenarios. The DroneBuster works by emitting jamming signals that disrupt the drone's control and navigation frequencies. This interference forces the drone to lose contact with its operator or GPS system, leading to its safe recovery. Technical breakdown jamming capabilities. The DroneBuster can jam a variety of frequencies used by drones, including 2.4 GHz, 5.8 GHz, and GPS L1 and L2 bands. Operational range. It has an effective range of several hundred meters, making it suitable for various operational environments. Safety features. The device includes safety mechanisms to prevent unintentional interference with other electronic systems. The DroneBuster's versatility and ease of use make it a popular choice for quick deployment in dynamic and unpredictable environments. Both the DroneDefender and DroneBuster have a wide range of applications from military and law enforcement to private security and critical infrastructure protection. Let's explore some of the key use cases for these devices. Military applications, base protection. These devices are used to secure military bases from surveillance and potential attacks by unauthorized drones. Operational security. During missions, they ensure the safety and confidentiality of operations by preventing drone-based surveillance. Law enforcement applications, public event security. Police forces use these devices to protect large public events from potential drone threats. Critical infrastructure. They are deployed to safeguard airports, power plants, and other critical infrastructure from unauthorized drone activity. Private security. Corporate security. Private security firms use these devices to protect corporate facilities and events from drone intrusions. VIP protection. They are also employed in the protection of VIPs in sensitive locations. Both devices have been successfully used in various real-world scenarios, demonstrating their effectiveness in neutralizing drone threats and ensuring public safety. Let's take a look at some real-life incidents where the DroneDefender and DroneBuster have been successfully deployed to neutralize drone threats. Event security in major cities. Case Study 1. During a major public event in a large city, law enforcement used the DroneDefender to neutralize an unauthorized drone that was flying over the crowd. The quick response ensured the safety of the attendees and prevented potential disruptions. Case Study 2. At a high-profile sports event, the DroneBuster was used to intercept a drone that was attempting to capture unauthorized footage. The device effectively jammed the drone's signals, causing it to land safely where it could be recovered by security personnel. Military base protection. Case Study 3. In a conflict zone, military forces used the DroneDefender to prevent a drone from conducting surveillance over a base. The device successfully disrupted the drone's signals, forcing it to return to its point of origin. Case Study 4. During a training exercise, the DroneBuster was deployed to simulate the neutralization of enemy drones. The exercise demonstrated the device's effectiveness and ease of use in high-pressure situations. These success stories highlight the importance of having reliable and effective counter-drone technologies in place to protect sensitive areas and ensure public safety. The field of counter-drone technology is constantly evolving, with new advancements being made to improve the effectiveness and versatility of these devices. Let's explore some of the future developments we can expect in this field. Increased range and accuracy. Extended range. Future counter-drone devices are expected to have increased operational ranges, allowing them to neutralize drones from greater distances. Enhanced accuracy. Advancements in signal jamming technology will improve the accuracy and reliability of these devices, ensuring that only the targeted drones are affected. Integration with other systems. Unified defense systems. Counter-drone devices will be integrated with other defense systems, such as radar and surveillance networks, to provide a comprehensive security solution. Automated responses. Automation will play a significant role in future counter-drone technologies, allowing for faster and more efficient responses to drone threats. Development of new technologies. Laser systems. Research is being conducted into the development of laser-based counter-drone systems that can disable drones without relying on signal jamming. Artificial intelligence, AI, will be integrated into counter-drone devices to improve detection and response times, as well as to analyze drone behavior and predict potential threats. These advancements will ensure that counter-drone technologies remain effective against the evolving threat of unauthorized drones, providing enhanced security and protection in various environments. As we've explored, the DroneDefender and DRONEBUSTER are at the forefront of counter-drone technology, providing essential tools to neutralize unauthorized drone activity effectively and safely. These devices have proven to be invaluable assets for military, law enforcement, and private security applications, ensuring the safety of critical infrastructure and public events. The DroneDefender, developed by Battelle, and the DroneBuster, created by FlexForce Enterprises, offer unique features and capabilities that make them highly effective in various operational environments. Their portability, ease of use, and non-kinetic approach to neutralizing drones make them ideal for quick deployment and efficient threat mitigation. As drone technology continues to evolve, so too must the countermeasures designed to neutralize potential threats. Future advancements in counter-drone technology promise increased range, accuracy, and integration with other defense systems, ensuring that these devices remain effective against ever-evolving drone capabilities. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of counter-drone technology. We hope you found this exploration of the DroneDefender and DroneBuster both informative and fascinating. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth content on the latest advancements in security and defense technology. Before we go, here's a question for you. Which feature of the DroneDefender or DroneBuster do you find most impressive? Is it their portability, the range of frequencies they can jam, or their ability to neutralize drones without causing physical damage? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring.